How's everybody doing today? Ooh, look at this. Thank Jesus for that little bit of blue sky that I can see. What I was going to talk about is this Mud Fossil University. I don't know if you guys have checked it out or not, but I made a video yesterday and put it on. It was like 5 minutes and something. And I looked at it this morning and it was only 20 seconds long. So I don't know what happened with that, but so I deleted it. What about the Mud Fossil University? Now, this guy, he's saying, and he's got stuff to back it up, DNA proof, and he's had stuff CAT scanned, but about the giants. And there were two separate kinds of giants. There were the Titans, which were the huge ones, and then the other ones, you know, the ones after the flood, or when, you know, the smaller ones that didn't get 2.5 miles tall. Now the dead Titans is what makes up like a lot of the mountains, because these things have all been fossilized in mud after the flood. Hey, and so he's got DNA tests from these saying that these things are human, and he's got like fingertips and other things of the other giants that are mud fossils that he has had DNA tested that say that they're human. And the Devil's Tower, you guys have probably seen that before. There was some videos about no trees on a flat earth and stuff. Now this guy is saying that Devil's Tower, that's actually a foot that's under, that's like the ankle part that where it separated and broke off. And it's got a lot of interesting things. It all ties in with the Bible, and that shows you that, you know, all the different mythologies that there are probably all true, because there were Titans, you know, that was back in the early times. And there was the other giants that a lot of the other Norse mythology talks about. All the mythologies talk about giants, and the Bible talks about giants. So supposedly now the earth that we're living on, he thinks, is alive, somehow, something. But would it make sense? Because when you think about the Schumann resonance, that electromagnetic pulse that the earth puts out at over 7.38 megahertz or something is what it's always been. But that's been spiking also. So I don't know, maybe it's birth pains. But that's like a heartbeat. So we are living on something that's alive. I mean, we can't even, the trees are alive, they're all growing out of, you know, growing out, and the earth is alive. And all these mountains and stuff, that's just all flesh. Flesh from the Titans. The Himalayan pink salt and the salt they mine in the under the mountain there in the Himalayas, and them are dead Titans. The Himalayan pink salt would be, what this guy is saying, would be like the lungs, the crystallized part of the lungs. And then, you know, I'd say that makes sense, because that has all the minerals in it that our bodies need. Well, the Titans' bodies, they must have needed the same kind of minerals we do. They were just way bigger. So that's all left over from them. And it all ties together in one way or another. But if you guys have not checked, I think his name's Roger. If you have not checked out his stuff, really, if I had different ways to do videos, you know, I could play some of the stuff and take you around a different place. But my videos, I know they're not the swiftest. So you guys will have to do the research on your own. I'm just telling you the stuff I research and what I think. So check him out, Mud Fossil University, and that's awesome. So that's really what I was going to talk about this morning. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. See you, love you, bye.